Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to our channel and welcome to another video where in today's one we're taking a look at the Whop website. I'll explain to you guys how can you add admin team members on your Whop. So let's jump right into it. So first things first, open up Whop on your web browser. Make sure that you're logged in with your preferred profile. Then from the dashboard of your Whop, head on to the menu on the left hand side and scroll all the way down until you see the settings part. From here, navigate on to team, and down here you will see all of your team members. Now to change any of your team members role, you will click on the role right here, select it, and then switch it on to admin. If you want to add new team members, click on the plus sign right here, invite team members, type in their email. For the role, select admin, and then click on invite. They will get a link sent to their email that they will be able to accept. And once they accept it, they will be a part of your WAPS team. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, leave it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.